that there is hardly a mathematics problem without multiplication, and there is hardly a multiplication problem without fractions. That is why in today's lesson we are going to look at multiplication of fractions. I am Engineer Math. Welcome back to Engineer Math Academy. In this first example, we have 2 over 3 multiplying 4 over 5. So our solution, 2 over 3 multiplied by 4 over 5. In this kind of problem, the rule is to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. That is, numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. If we do this, our answer is pretty simple. 2 multiplied by 4 is 8. 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. And that is the answer. Quite easily done, right? Let's look at example 2. 5 over 8 multiplied by 4 over 9. Solution. Remember the rule. We multiply numerator to numerator or by numerator and denominator by denominator. But before we multiply, we need to see if any of the numerator can cancel out any of the denominator. What do I mean by that? Let's see. 4 over 9. In the previous example, there was no number that could cancel out. Let me explain. 2 cannot cancel 3 or 5. Similarly, 4 cannot cancel 3 or 5. So we multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. In this case, let's see. 5 cannot cancel 8, neither can 5 cancel 9. What about 4? 4 and 8 can cancel out. So 4 cancel 4, we have 1s. 4 cancel 8, we have 2. Now that we have cancelled out, we now do the numerator to numerator multiplication. 5 multiply 1 is 5. 2 multiplied by 9 is 18. So that is it. Let us see a third example. Example 3. One whole number 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5. In this problem, one of the fractions is a mixed number. Remember the conversion we did in the previous video, in our previous lesson? If you haven't done that, please go back and watch that video. Solution. Now we need to convert the mixed fraction to an improper fraction. So here we have one whole number 2 over 3 times 3 over 5 equal to, we'll do the conversion first. We are converting one whole number 2 over 3. Remember, the whole number multiplies the denominator to give us 3. 1 times 3 is 3 plus the numerator, that gives us 5. 5 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5. Interesting. Now let's see. We are supposed to multiply the numerator by this numerator and this denominator by this denominator. But we have to check, can these numbers, can any of the numerator cancel out any of the denominator? Yes. 5 can cancel out 5. 5, we cancel this 5, we have 1. 5 cancel 5 here is 1. Then 3 can cancel 3 as well. 3 cancel 3 here is 1. And 3 cancel 3 here is 1. In essence, we now have 1 times 1, 1 times 1 over 1 times 1. And when we do this, 1 times 1 will be 1, 1 times 1 will be 1. However, in mathematics, we don't write 1 over 1. Whenever we have a situation like this, we just say 1, and that is the answer. If you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section and I will reply you. Now let's take our last example. 1 over 2 multiplied by 2 1 over 3. Our solution, this one, in this example, both fractions are mixed fractions, but I'm sure you already know how to handle mixed fractions. So let's go. 1 whole number 1 over 2 times 2 whole number 1 over 3. The step is the same. Because there are mixed fractions, we convert the mixed fractions to improper fractions first. So that leaves us with 1 multiplied by 2, that is 2, plus the numerator 3. So we have 3 over 2 multiplied by, we do the same thing to the other fraction. The whole number 2 multiplied by 3, that is 6, plus the numerator 1, that is 6 plus 1, 7. We now have 7 over 3. We say 3 times 7 and 2 times 3, but always check if any number can cancel out. In this case, yes, 3 can cancel out. So we have 3 cancel 3, 3 cancel 3. So what do we have left? We have 1 times 7 over 2 times 1. 1 times 7 is 7, 2 times 1 is 2. So our final solution will be, because this is an improper fraction, this will not be our final answer. So we convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction or mixed number. How many 2's do we have in 7? 3. If we remove those 3, we have 1 left, remainder 1. So our final answer is 3 whole number 1 over 2. If you have problem converting improper fractions to mixed fraction, check the last video, the previous video on conversion of fractions to mixed fractions and vice versa. Your turn. Practice these problems. Feel free to drop your answers in the comment section. Alright, that is it. If you got value from this lesson, if this lesson helped you, please like and share the video so that others too can see it and benefit from it. And don't forget to subscribe so that you don't miss the next lesson where we are going to tackle division of fractions. I am Engineer Matt and I will see you in the next lesson.